California Governor Gavin Newsom is borrowing more than $3 billion to provide free health care for illegal immigrants. This comes after the state used a loophole in Medicaid to squeeze out billions of federal dollars for the state. California has been a sanctuary state since 2013, and currently there are more than 2.5 million illegal immigrants in the state. Last year, Newsom expanded their Medicaid program, called Medi-Cal, to include illegal aliens in the 26 to 49-year-old age bracket. This is the largest bracket in the state as well as the country, as it makes up nearly 75% of all illegal aliens. The state's method for funding Medi-Cal has been called a Medicaid money laundering scheme by some people. The state's general fund is supposed to remain separate from the federal funding that it receives. In addition, federal money is not legally allowed to be given to migrants. So here's how the state gets around this. Medicaid is a jointly financed federal-state program. The federal government matches anywhere between 50 to 83% of the state's funding for their Medicaid program. For California, it's 60%. The state tripled that tax on Medicaid insurers in 2023. The state is required to spend the same amount taxed back to those very insurers. From 2023 to 2025, this tax raised $16.7 billion. The federal government then matched that by 60%, meaning the state received $9.5 billion from the federal government. Nearly $4 billion of this went to pay for illegal immigrants on Medi-Cal, the state's Medicaid program. Simply put, California is growing the pie. They need billions to cover their Medi-Cal program that they give to illegal immigrants. If the federal government only matches 60% of their Medi-Cal tax, then why not just jack up that tax rate? They're still just getting 60%, but they're getting a much larger dollar figure to cover the increasing cost for including that age bracket of illegal immigrants. Despite this elaborate scheme, the state is still more than $3 billion short and is now borrowing money to pay for their expansion. Now that you know where we've been, find out where we're going. Tune in to Ladies Love Politics, where you can stay informed without going insane.